Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video. As you can see, I've got the barbecue going, but I don't have anything to cook in it just yet. Let's go find out why. Well, my sweet potatoes have all gone black and died back, which is an indication that they're ready for harvesting. So we'll start digging them up and see what we've got. I planted 18 slips of sweet potatoes, different varieties. In this bed, so I'll be interested to see how they've got on. Now, I've grown sweet potatoes for a number of years, so they normally do pretty good. However, this year I am not expecting a brilliant turnabout, to be honest. As you can see, a lot of these couch grass roots are coming out as well, which is good. We'll get those burnt. So I've just uprooted this plant, and actually these ones have done pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with these ones, to say the least. Oh, well, I've got through my first variety of sweet potato, and they are Bonita. Looking at it, I'm guessing this is going to be my biggest one, which weighs in at 200 grams, so that's not bad. Let's pile in the rest and see what we get. Okay, so that has came in at 2.5 pound. No, is that pounds? I know that's 1.180, just under 1.2 kilos, shall we say? Not bad from the first variety. We've got 2 more to go. So my second variety now is Beauregard, and actually they've performed a lot better than I thought they would. You know, I got some really nice big ones, such as that one, and that one, that one, that one. So yeah, really pleased with them. But let's get them in and see what they weigh. So what's going to be the heaviest? So that one's probably the heaviest, and that comes in at 300 grams. Let's pile the rest in. Piling them in now. And that has came in at just over 1.8 kilos. So combined with the first variety, we're up to 3 kilos. That is pretty good actually. Far better than I thought it would be. So my last variety now is called Burgundy, and I think they're in much better shape. They look much more usable, although there are fewer of them. And they've got, some of them have got these little holes. Obviously slug or something has got into them, so they'll have to be used first. But for the most part, they're pretty good. The largest one is probably this one, which weighs in at 100 grams, not very much at all. But let's pop them all in and see what we've got. So that is 800 grams. So the Burgundy have done the least best, but there's no real small ones. They're better shape, but they have been hit by the slugs. Okay, well, my sweet potatoes are now ready, so give them a try. Now the first one we've got is this Bonita, which as you can see is pretty well cooked. Actually, that's really nice. The burnt bit actually adds a bit of a extra flavour to it, as burnt stuff does. So the next one, this one, which is the Burgundy. Again, it's burnt. Tastes like sweet potato. Well, that one's got quite a potatoey flavour to it, to be honest. So the last one will be the Burgundy. Now that one's properly burnt. That's a hard one to choose what's the best flavour. I'm probably going to say the Bonita. Yeah. Yeah, the Bonita seems to have a better flavour out of all three. So, and that got the medium. That was the one in the middle in terms of yields. And although it was quite thin and stripy, yeah, not bad. So, yeah, Bonita is well worth growing. In fact, I'd say all three are worth growing. It's not been the best year. It's been so dry. If it had been a bit more wet, the moisture levels would have made these sweet potatoes grow better. Anyway, that's enough for this week. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all again next time.